Hey guys, it's Ashley Yvette. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you the first of many press-on nail tutorials. I'm going to show you how you can get this firecracker red Fendi look with the nail charm. Perfect for the summertime. It's giving glamour, it's giving designer, it's giving rich, it's giving I don't have to pay $100 to get this look. I'm going to show you how to get this simple nail art press on look. You don't have to be a skilled nail artist to do this. You just have to have some time, some patience, and a little bit of creativity. So let's get into it. Bounce, 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 Okay, first things first, of course you need your nail tips. I got mine here on this magnetic nail holder I got from Amazon, along with the Loctite Silly Putty to keep them in place. The nail tips that I prefer to use are the APRES Gel X nail extensions. I just feel like they are easier to use when you're making press-on nails, especially if you're trying to start a business and you feel like you may have a high demand. They come ready to go. You don't have to do any buffing, priming. You don't have to dehydrate them or use like a pH bonder. All you need is your gel polish, your nail art, charms or designs, and your top coat, and you're good to go. For this set, I'm actually using the long square shape from the Gel X extensions. I'm just showing you what the box looks like, and I also have these tips in the bag. I bought the refill bags for them. To create this look, I'm just using a top coat that I got from Amazon and this Dipped in Pretty gel polish in the color Pretty Young Thing. I love her polishes. They are great quality. I hope that she restocks soon. Check out her website. She has a lot of dope nail supplies. So I also have my gems and my gem gel, and also my tools that I will be using. But the star of the show are these Fendi nail art stickers. Again, from dippedinpretty.com. Check her out. They are so dope. So now let's go ahead and get started. So as you see, my nails are bare, crusty and rusty and dusty. And we're gonna start just by going ahead and painting our nails. So everybody knows how to do this. Just apply your gel nail polish. As you can see, no buffing, no priming, no bonder. I don't have to do any of that because the APRES gel nails come ready to go, period. So we're just gonna go ahead and continue to paint the nails. Nothing new here. It was so weird because I felt like my ring light was actually curing my nails, so I had to hurry up and paint them. Right now you just see me sizing out how I want the design to lay on the nail. So I'm just taking the nail art sticker, and once I figure it out, I cut it, and then now I am taking the sticky part from the plastic wrapping and placing them on my nails. It's that simple, guys. I love the nail stickers way better than the nail foils. I use the nail foils, but there's a learning curve with that, so I'm still getting it together. So the nail stickers are perfect if you are a beginner. This is all about what's easy and what's good for beginners. We are beginner nail artists here. This is all about getting that expensive look in an easy and simple way. So for all of my guys and girls out there who want a beginner friendly look, this is perfect. I'm just taking my silicone pusher right now, placing the nail art sticker in place, making sure there are no air bubbles and that it looks the way that I would like it to look. And right now I'm taking a nail cutter and just cutting off the excess, and we will just continue to repeat the same steps, guys. It's so simple, so easy. This is one of my favorite looks. You just need to have some bomb nail stickers, a nice gel polish, and you can achieve this look. It is so simple, so easy. So you will just repeat the steps and keep going until you get that desired look. This is my first nail video, guys, so please excuse it if it is a little bit blurry, if I get out of frame. I am learning as I go, and I just appreciate your patience with me because I'm looking at this and some of this looks a hot mess, so bear with me, Lord. So once you place your nail stickers, you can actually go ahead and put your top coat on if you would like. It's really about the order that you like to do things. I don't know. Everybody's different. Some people like to put your nails in all together and cure them once you're done with like the first 5 fingers. And then some people like to do it individually so that you make sure it gets cured as soon as you can. I know the rule of thumb is once you place a top coat or any type of gel polish that you need to let it sit for 30 seconds. So that way when it goes to cure, it won't move so much. And I think that is a good rule of thumb to keep. So now you just see me placing the gem. You can use whatever gems you would like. I chose this charm that I got from iGel Beauty, and I'm actually using the gem gel from Dipped and Pretty. Again, check her out. She has all the hot stuff, everything you need, nail supplies. And now I'm just, again, placing the top coat, making sure everything is how it needs to be as we get ready to cure for the final step. And again, I'm so sorry guys, I feel like my hands are in the way a lot and I am not zoomed in enough so you can see the actual nails. Again, this is my first video. I promise it will get better. Thank you for watching if you're still here and bearing with me. And again, I promise the quality gonna be way better because, ooh child, this is a mess. Always remember when you are applying top coat to apply thin layers. I usually like to do 2 coats just to seal everything in, especially if I'm using nail stickers or any type of gems. But you don't want the coats to be too heavy and too much because they will bubble over. I have that problem sometimes, and sometimes it also can depend on what type of nail lamp you have. So you may have to play around with a few settings on your lamp to get the right one to make sure everything is perfect. And here I'm just placing the gem, trying to see if I want to position it differently than the first one. And you know, that's the cool thing about nail art, is you really can be creative and make it your own. And sometimes it's not always going to turn out exactly the way you want to. Sometimes you're going to have to use a little extra effort to get things to look accordingly. So you just see me doing that here. I wanted to show you guys that it's not always just a simple thing. Sometimes you need to reapply gel. Sometimes you have to redo a nail altogether. I've had to do that before as well. But it's all about trial and error and practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. And one thing that I've learned is that I know we have all of these different tools to help us to place gems, but a lot of times just using your hand works perfectly. So once I place my gem how I like it, it will get cured for the final step. So here you have it guys, these red FENDI poppin' nails with the nail charm. I am selling these on my website and on my Instagram. Follow me at @the_nail drip. These are called the Fender Bender nails. I do them in different shapes and sizes. So if you want them, let me know. All of my nail sets are $25. I'm bringing back that $25 nail set like how it was back in the day before these prices got outrageous. So if you want these nails, please hit me up. I am going to be posting more videos of other styles that I'm doing, and if you follow me on my Instagram at @the_nail drip, I will get you right. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.